snapper coming up everywhere.
Biggest one ever right there. That's my biggest fish. Holy cow. Look at that.
Well, come back next week and you can keep him.
Yeah, exactly. You got that, right?
Oh yeah, I got him.
Oh.
Oh, you got color on him.
Go over that snapper.
That's a whopper.
I can take it. You can take it back there to the bottom and get a bunch.
There you go.
I'll take a picture with that. Wait till next week, folks. Let me know when you're rolling.
That's good. Well, as you can see, this is getting close to sundown. This is probably going to be the last stop. And we're getting a bunch of red snapper, which is not good now, but bodes well for next week. You see they're tagging them, venting them, and releasing them.
Like inflating a balloon.
Yeah.
There you go.
About the bottom.
We got color on him. Nice red snapper.
Walking me this way just a little bit. I lift it up.
And the trip is coming to an end. This is the final anchor pull.
Like the sands in an hourglass, these are the days of our lives.
All right, it's about to get real busy starting next week.
Yeah,
Red snapper season. If you hadn't already signed up, you better come join us.
Here we go. Y'all saw some of them snappers we're going to be getting.
Well, overall, I think it was a pretty good trip. Lots of mangoes.
Too many mangoes. You know, numbers.
The boat pretty much limited out, I think. Close to it.
Yeah, we're very close to mango limit. And I don't know why. If you didn't get a limit, you didn't fish for mangroves this trip.
I hear you.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Get some rest, because it's going to be hectic for the next 60-some days.
I know. I'm looking forward to it, kind of.
I bet. All right, man. Enjoyed fishing with you.
It's amazing how much of my equipment is not waterproof.
Well, we're getting ready to clean up the boat here. Headed back. Walk back here and see the sunset, I should say. I guess it's rising somewhere, but not here. Very enjoyable trip, great weather. I ended up catching about 5 or 6 beeliners in the middle of all that red snapper. But it bodes well for next week. One last look at the setting sun. Come out and join us on the Florida Fishery, because as they say, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too busy, man. Well, as you can see, we're arriving back at Johns Pass right at sunrise, which is a little bit different than we usually are. We're a little over an hour late getting in because of really bumpy weather on the way back. We hit some rough seas head on, and they had to slow the boat to like half speed. So it cost us roughly an hour and a half, but we're here safe and sound. This old gal, she could take the weather. It's us we worry about sometimes. So the captain made the right call and slowed it down a bit. But it enables us to get these gorgeous shots here. Beach is still fairly deserted, but you got a few people starting out. Of course, the pleasure boat fishermen, the sport fishermen are starting their way out, and the bridge should be opening very soon. Overall, it was a very good trip. We caught quite a few mangoes. The boat pretty much limited out on mangoes, fairly close, I'm sure. Red snapper were everywhere, especially on the last stop. You'll probably see some video I shot of that. It bodes well for the coming red snapper season, which now is less than a week away. Deep sea fishing. If you're too busy to go fishing, guess what? You're just too busy. Does it get much prettier than this? See why I love my home state of Florida. Pelicans are lined up to greet us on both sides. Right? Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Did you enjoy your first time out here?
Sure did. My second time. But
Oh, second. I thought it was your first time out here. I knew one of your guys' first time.
Had a great time.
Good fishing.
Yeah. A little bumpy on the way back, but life is good. We got back all right. Glad to have you guys. How about you, Tyler? You'd have a good time, man? You were slaying the fish. I know that. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Well, good morning, gentlemen. Did y'all enjoy yourselves?
Lovely trip. Lovely trip.
Yes, the legendary Jighead Ed, his trolling magic, and he was slaying the beeliners at the end there.
There you go. Oh, they were hitting good trolling.
Trolling, yeah, they were hitting.
I'm wound up about 14 or 15 fish. Trolling.
I saw that. You did good, man.
We're close up.
All right, well, we're back. There's the legendary Bob Haverson doing his magic. There's Leo. The Marines have landed again, once again. Returned to invade Madeira Beach.
You better believe it. Look out.
Here's the crew, Tammy, Captain John, who managed to get us down the bumpy road this morning.
Over here, watch out for
There's the friendly fishermen getting ready to go out on an all day.
Come inside the galley area.
Candyman Craig, good morning. All right, bro.
He missed the 39. You're 2 days late.
I heard you guys.
Also, when you're walking around the deck there, there's a 6-inch break.
You don't have to try to carry
And get it tied all the way on.
If you want to bring your cars around the parking lot, it's a little bit easier.
No, that'd be all day over there.
Once we get everyone and all their gear off of the boat,
Man, that sucks.
we start throwing fish. Those are all big piles.
Enjoyed fishing with you guys.
That's a good time to get a picture.
Hey, more than one speed or you fit. 12. Hey, Jared. 12. Go. You got 12 lost out? 2. Ferry. Yes, sir. 15. 15. That might be. Jack caught an anger right there. No, y'all aren't in it. 14.
We have the hard-working scientists of the FWC. Welcome here, boys. How you doing?
Here early in the morning.
Yeah, we're running a little late. Nice stringer, sir.
Thank you.
Getting ready to start cleaning fish right here
Yes, sir.
by a true professional.
Look at that play job right there. You gotta come on out to Hubbard. Last time I moved back to the
All right, man, look at that fish. Tell them your name and where you're from.
Donnie, Palm Bay, Florida.
Palm Bay, Florida, a
Come on
regular
out to
here on
Hubbard's.
Hubbard's. This is not his first rodeo. Nice catch, sir.
Thank you.
Right.